Hey everyone, Christmas is coming, and if you're looking for some fantastic gift ideas for kids, I've got you covered. From creative tools to interactive toys, these picks are guaranteed to light up their holiday. Let's dive right into the best Christmas gifts for kids in 2024. First up, the Crayola Light-Up Tracing Pad. This is perfect for budding artists. It comes with a bright LED screen that makes tracing and sketching a breeze. Kids can trace characters, letters, or their favorite animals, which makes it both fun and a great tool for creative development. It even includes tracing paper and a set of colored pencils to get started right away. Next, we have the Kinetic Sand Sandbox Set. This stuff is magical. It's easy to mold and shape, making it perfect for imaginative play. Kids can create castles, shapes, or whatever they dream up, and the sand never dries out. Plus, it's a great sensory toy for young kids to explore textures while having a blast. For a fun science twist, the National Geographic Mega Slime Kit is an awesome gift. This set comes with different types of slime, from glow-in-the-dark to magnetic. It's perfect for curious minds and lets kids learn about the science behind slime while getting hands-on with squishy, stretchy experiments. If you've got a kid who loves cars, check out the Tecnock RC Stunt Car. This remote-controlled car can flip, spin, and race across all kinds of surfaces. It's durable, super fun, and perfect for kids who want to show off some cool stunts to their friends. Great for indoor or outdoor play. The Toniebox audio player is a great alternative to screen time. Kids can place different characters on top, and each one plays different stories or songs. It's a hands-on way for younger kids to enjoy audiobooks and music, and it's so easy to use. It even works offline, so they can bring it along anywhere. For the little tech enthusiast, the Snap Circuits coding robot is an incredible gift. This kit teaches coding basics and lets kids build their own robot. It's educational, super interactive, and a perfect way to introduce coding and engineering in a fun, approachable way. Next up is the VTech KidiZoom Creator Cam. This is the ultimate gift for aspiring YouTubers and creators. It comes with a built-in green screen and fun effects, so kids can make their own videos, complete with special backgrounds. It's easy to use, durable, and gives kids the chance to explore their creative side. The Tiny Land Teepee tent is a cozy and fun gift that's perfect for indoor adventures. Kids can set up their own little hideaway, great for reading, playing, or even having a mini camping experience at home. It's easy to set up and looks adorable in any room. Encourage teamwork and outdoor play with the Wishouse walkie-talkies. They're easy to use, with long-range communication and clear sound, so kids can stay in touch on their outdoor adventures. Whether they're camping, at the park, or just playing in the backyard, these walkie-talkies are a fun way for kids to stay connected. And last but not least, the Ruko 1088 Smart Robots. This interactive robot can dance, tell stories, and even play games. It's like having a mini companion that responds to voice commands and can be controlled through an app. Perfect for kids who love tech and want their very own robot friend. And that's the list of the best Christmas gifts for kids 2024. From creative kits to interactive gadgets, these gifts will bring so much joy this holiday season. Links are in the description if you want to check them out. Let me know which gift you'd pick in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more holiday ideas. Thanks for watching, and happy holidays.